Hi, my name is John Hutchison. I'm a real person, I'm not an actor. With me today is my dog Fritz. Fritz is a real dog. Fritz isn't an actor either. This is a story about Fritz. About 5 years ago, Fritz was abandoned at a rest stop. He's 11 and a half years old, abandoned at a rest stop. Home at Last stepped in and rescued him. He has difficult placement, so it took several weeks and maybe a couple of months to find a home for Fritz. I came along and Fritz has been in my household with the two other Home at Last animals I have for the past 5 years. We want a place where people can come and get pets, people can take their unwanted pets and we find new homes for them, because pets are a key ingredient to the quality of our life as human beings. And we all need companions, and pets are one of the best companions. They love you when you come home unconditionally. What we need is donations. We need donations of time, we need donations of money. With a little cash influx, Home at Last will be on the straight and narrow again and providing a valuable service for our pets and for our community. I thank you very much. For Fritz and I, adios.